Feeling overwhelmed and stressed out? You're not alone, but what if I told you that the key to improving your mental health could be as simple as a small change in your daily routine? Mental health is such an important topic, and it's crazy how often we overlook it. I mean, think about it. We're always talking about physical health and how we need to exercise and eat well to stay healthy. But when it comes to our minds, we just kind of ignore it. And that's not okay. Our mental health affects every single aspect of our lives, from our relationships to our work to our overall happiness. I've been there too, feeling like I'm drowning in stress and anxiety with no idea how to get back on top. But over time, I've learned that it's the small habits that can make a big difference. A simple habit that can help boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. And today, I want to share that habit with you. It's not some crazy, complicated thing that you need to do. It's actually really simple. And I'm excited to dive in and share it with you. So let's get this out of the way. Mental health struggles are no joke. But have you ever tried to meditate and ended up falling asleep instead? Or tried to journal and write like 2 sentences before getting bored? Yeah, been there too. But the good news is, the habit I'm about to share with you is way more fun than that. In fact, it's so fun that you might not even realize you're doing something good for your mental health. But trust me, you are. And that's what I love about it. The habit I'm talking about is gratitude practice. That's right. Taking a few minutes each day to think about the things you're grateful for. It sounds simple, but trust me, it's powerful. Research has shown that practicing gratitude can have a significant impact on our mental health. It can reduce stress and anxiety, improve our mood, and even help us sleep better. And the best part is, it's easy to do. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. You can do it anywhere, anytime. You could write down 3 things you're grateful for each day in a journal, or share them with a friend or a family member. You can even just take a minute to think about them in your head. The key is to make it a habit. Try to do it at the same time each day so it becomes a routine. And don't worry if you miss a day or two, just get back on track and keep going. I've been practicing gratitude for a while now, and I can honestly say it's made a big difference in my life. I feel more positive, more energized, and more focused. And I'm not the only one. Tons of people have seen benefits of gratitude practice. For example, one study found that people who practiced gratitude for 6 weeks had lower levels of stress and depression. Another study found that people who wrote down 3 things they were grateful for each day had better sleep quality. It's not just about feeling good in the moment either. Practicing gratitude can actually change our brains over time. It can help us become more resilient, more optimistic, and more compassionate. And it's not just about us either. Practicing gratitude can have a ripple effect on those around us. When we're feeling grateful, we're more likely to be kind and generous to others. Of course, some days are harder than others. Some days it feels like everything is going wrong and it's hard to think of anything to be grateful for. But that's exactly when we need to practice gratitude the most. So I want to challenge you to try practicing gratitude for the next week. See how it makes you feel and let me know in the comments below. Have you ever tried gratitude practice before? What were the results? 1 in 5 adults experience mental illness each year, but with simple habits like this, we can start to change those statistics. And that's a powerful thing. In conclusion, practicing gratitude is a simple yet powerful habit that can have a big impact on our mental health. By taking just a few minutes each day to think about the things we're grateful for, we can reduce stress and anxiety, improve our mood, and even help us sleep better. It's not a magic pill, and it's not a replacement for professional help if you need it. But it's a tool that can help us take care of our minds, and that's something we should all be prioritizing. So I encourage you to give it a try and see how it makes you feel. And if you have any other tips or habits that have helped you with your mental health, please share them in the comments below. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary, and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on mental health and self-care. And if you're looking for another video to check out, I recommend watching my next video right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.